Hello and welcome to our new video. To use the if function in Excel, follow these steps. Select the cell where you want to apply the if function. Type the shown expression and hit Enter. Choose the cell that contains the data you want to evaluate. After the selected cell reference, add a comparison operator and specify the condition you want to check. For example, greater than 50. After the condition, type a comma A, followed by the text or value you want to appear if the condition is true. Enclose text in quotation marks. Add another comma and type the text or value you want to appear if the condition is false. Close the formula with a parenthesis. Press Enter to see the result in the selected cell. To apply the formula to other cells, hold and drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, down or across the desired range. Now you can easily evaluate data based on conditions using the if function. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.